The loudest spender in your friend group is rarely the wealthiest. And I think deep down you already know this. We all have that one friend, always fresh, always eating out, always on holiday, always with the new phone, the new outfit, the new car. And then we have that other friend, quiet, unbothered, never really talking about money, never really flexing, just living simply and minding their business. And then one day that quiet friend buys a house or starts a business or retires early and everyone is shocked. But should we really be surprised? Here is what the loud friend was doing. Spending to be seen, buying things they cannot afford to impress people who are not even paying attention. Every paycheck performing a lifestyle instead of building one. And here is what the quiet friend was doing. Saving before spending, investing before flexing, building before announcing, letting the results do the talking. Now I want to ask you something honestly, and I want you to answer in the comments because I genuinely want to know, which one are you right now? The loud one or the quiet one? And which one do you want to be? Because here's the thing nobody in your group chat will tell you. Wealth is not loud. Wealth is not the designer bag or the car on finance or the business class photo on Instagram. Quiet wealth looks like no debt, an emergency fund nobody knows about, investments quietly growing in the background, a pension being built while everyone else is at brunch. It does not look impressive on the outside, but it feels like freedom on the inside. And I know what some of you are thinking, but life is short. You have to enjoy your money. I completely agree. Enjoyment is not the problem. The problem is performing enjoyment you cannot actually afford. There is a big difference between spending on things that genuinely make your life better and spending so people think your life is better. One builds happiness, the other builds debt. So let me give you 3 shifts that separate the quiet wealthy from the loud broke. 1, they pay themselves first. Before the outing, before the takeaway, before anything, a fixed amount goes into savings or investments, non-negotiable. 2, they are unbothered by what others think of their lifestyle. They drive the old car, they pack lunch, they skip the unnecessary owambe because they have a bigger goal they are protecting. 3, they measure wealth by options, not appearance. Can I leave this job if I want to? Can I handle an emergency without panic? Can I say no to things that do not serve me? That is real wealth. Now drop this in the comments. Do you know someone like this? The quiet one in the group who turned out to be the most sorted? Or are you that person? Because I think a lot of people watching this are already doing the quiet walk and they deserve to be seen. This is Naija Upgraded, real talk for people building real lives. Save this video. You will want to come back to it. Share it with your friend group and watch who gets uncomfortable. Follow for more. Sharp, sharp.